Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change theme in Google Anti-Gravity. It's very simple and easy. Just simply open up Google Anti-Gravity. Once you open it up, what you have to do is just simply press on this gear icon. It's called editor specific settings. Just simply press on that, and then you'll see the option of editor settings. Just simply press on that. After that, you have to search up theme right over here. Just simply type in theme, and then you'll see the option of color theme on your workbench, and just simply press on this arrow and you'll see many different types of theme. Now let's say if I want to do dark, or can be dark, simply press on that. Here, as you can see, you can change it to any type of theme you'd like to use, and it's actually very good. Choose whatever type of theme you want to choose, and yeah, after that just simply close, and here you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.